We've chased waterfalls all over the place, but this one has always been one of our favourites. So today, we're running it back to find out if it's still as incredible as we remember. Welcome to Waddy Travels.
Pre-walk fueling. I'd say wear suitable footwear, but
this one's like a cave.
Yeah.
We've done it before. It's a bit rock hoppy, but
should be right.
Be sweet.
I think we did it in our berks last time, to be honest.
No, we will. I remember putting runners on afterwards. We didn't, but we're doing it this time in our berks.
It's also a lot colder than what it was last time.
It's coming fresh. At the moment, it looks like we are the only ones here. Nice.
Scout Falls.
Scouts.
Yeah. Yeah. Sherwood Nature Reserve. We're saying this place, it's cool because it's really only got 3 hikes. 2 of them are waterfall ones. Well, 3 of them are waterfalls. They're all waterfalls.
And they're all quite short.
Yeah. So there's another waterfall. Whoopie Falls. Looks alright. Short walk as well. And then the little infinity pool that we went to last night for a little nature reserve. It's got some high quality activities.
Where we stayed was good too.
Yeah, great spot in Glenray. Great spot. Bit of a technical 4-wheel drive track, much like last night.
I'm wearing 2-wheel drive shoes.
Close to the waterfall. Very nice. Very clear.
I don't want to be slippery, so I'm being extra cautious.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
I need the rock.
It's red.
See it?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Yoey. Ow. I'm hurt.
Battle wounds.
I feel like I always hurt myself on something. Like I do some sort of silly thing every time we walk.
Something.
Something. I'm not clumsy, I swear.
It's a cool little adventure to get out here. It's not too hard, but it's nice the whole way. All these spots like this, they're just nice.
Choose your own adventure type of vibe.
Yeah. What a spot. I was saying last time we were here, the water was kind of up to this level all the way through along here. So we stood on that little ledge and jumped off into the water, and it wasn't that big a
That
jump.
rope swing wouldn't be useful right
Yeah.
now. And even jumping off that down, I don't think you could even do that.
Even that rope swing there, that rock was mostly underwater.
Yeah.
So you just kind of had a little swing and fell in. But this was like whole thing raging as well.
So beautiful.
Yeah, very nice. The colour of the water is very, very beautiful. It's gonna be cold, but
Oh yeah. I think the cold.
walk the plank.
Oh, it's so cold.
It's pretty cold, eh? What temperature you reckon? Cold.
12 to 15 degrees.
Yeah.
15?
Yeah. It's not quite ice bath, but it's
No.
pretty close.
2, 1, go. Okay, you wrecked the video. Go.
Oh, that's cold. That's cold.
Fresh.
From our previous experience before, we know that up here is also cool. So, we're going on an adventure.
Oh gosh.
It's cold. Again, last time we were here, this like 3-tier drop, it was raging. Like, we struggled to navigate around it, and now it's just a little splash.
A little sprinkle.
Nice.
Oh. Going on an adventure. He doesn't want to come with me.
Bye, have a good time.
Enjoying my adventure. My Dean enjoys his lay down. Guys, I made it. A bit of a mission. There's Dean. All the way down there. Chilling. We made it to the top. And it's not that exciting. For anyone that was interested. This is what we got. More water. Right up top. Get Yoki through there. And that's all of it.
Am I getting hungry? Ready to get back in?
Yeah, it's cold. God damn it. Oof. Oh yeah, it's cold.
Oh my god, that's so cold.
Goodbye.
I said that's so cold. I know. I think it does come off the rocks. Yeah, I think there's rocks. Yeah, these are like a sandstone rock. Yeah. They're just discoloured. Look at the ones up there. Yeah, but see how they're silver.
Yeah, it looks cold. Especially after the body's been warmed up by the sun.
I trying to turn and then there's a step there. There's a nice ledge. Bye.
Nice to see you again.
Thanks for having us
Do you
again.
recommend coming and visiting everyone else?
And if you're not afraid of a little bit of cold water, come at a cooler time of year.
Yeah. Yeah, considering there's no one here today at all.
Yeah.
Like there's been no one the whole time.
Take that.
One of my shoes are really slippery with sand.
So the Burke's not too bad for the way in. Way out with a bit of water and sand on the bottom.
Not really.
It's proving a little bit more challenging.